In this video, I will be telling you how to generate the AI images using the Canva. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So here you guys can see that I have opened up the Canva. I will be attaching the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So once you're in it, just simply go and click on create button and click on any sort of the ratio where you want to create a image for. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and create an image for the Instagram post for 4.4 ratio 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. And then as you guys can see that it's now gonna open up in a separate dashboard. Here we have the dashboard right over here. It's completely blank as of now. But we're gonna fill it with using a AI image. So on the left hand side, you will see a bunch of options, but at the end, you will see a magic media option. Simply go ahead and click on that. And here you can see that it says enter 5 plus words to describe whatever you want to create an image for. And this is an image AI image generator. So I'm just gonna go ahead for now and click on inspire me button. That way it will create an image by itself. It says fried eggs on a plate with salad. So I can select between different sort of style. For example, I'm gonna go with the filmic and then I'm gonna go with the portrait option. So for now, what I have to do is to click on the generating image option. Once I do that, you guys can see that now it's generating an image based on the prompt that is fried eggs on a plate with salad. So let's wait and see whether it will be able to create an image according to our prompt. So here are a bunch of images. As you guys can see that looks very realistic. And if a person who doesn't have enough knowledge about cooking can easily be fooled by the AI itself just by looking at the image. They won't be able to, differentiate between if it's a real image or it's just an AI generated image. So even if we use this image, for example, so it looks so realistic as well. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.